Happy Vlogmas Day 18. I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad it's Vlogmas Day 18. We only have 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25. Only have a few more to go. Or then do we go into a Happy New Year's vlog? No, no. What are you doing here? I'm choking.
I'm giving you a hat so you can say your Happy Vlogmas properly.
Happy Vlogmas properly.
You forgot what day.
Day number 18.
That was much better.
Okay. What's this one about? Good idea. Can I take this off now?
Fine. Goodbye. Hopefully Dave will react better today.
Yes. No, I ain't putting that on.
Come on.
Nope.
If I get you a Grinch hat, will you put it on?
I might wear that.
Actually, the only difference between a Grinch hat and a Santa hat is the Grinch has a green face. The Grinch wears a Santa hat.
I don't care what you say. I'm not putting it on. I don't want to wear
He
the hat.
does. Look it up.
I don't care.
Just for 1 minute.
Nope.
Please.
Nope.
What about when we're making the gingerbread house? Will you wear one if I wear one?
I thought it was a sugar cookie house.
Well, it is going to be a sugar cookie house.
Yeah, don't be changing it now.
But we're going to call it a gingerbread house.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what we're going to use for candy.
What are you looking at me for? Like I'm the candy shop or
He's
what?
Candy Man.
The candy man. Just a minute, I'll get you some.
We might have to go to a store or something.
Yeah, you might have to. Okay, what do you want?
I want you to say Happy Vlogmas.
Oh, is it that time?
It is.
I've been busy.
Busy doing what? Babysitting?
Babysitting your cats.
Babysitting the cats? Meow meow.
Meow, meow, yeah,
She's ignoring me.
right.
She doesn't even care. It's day 18, honey.
Well, good for day 18.
Big smile.
I'm glad we made it this far.
Yeah, only 7 more days.
Oh, God.
Big smile, honey.
I'm so excited.
Come on. Big smile. Happy Vlogmas Day 18.
Happy Vlogmas Day 18.
Have a wonderful night.
Have a wonderful night.
Anything you want to try and say on your own, or do you want me to just coach you through it?
I can run for president. All I need is a
You
teleprompter.
use a teleprompter.
Yeah.
So I should bring a speech out here for you, and
Yep, there
And
you go.
then you would
That
read
might-
it?
that probably, yeah, right.
I love Christmas so much. Lorrie is the best wife ever. No,
How do you get through the door?
I go sideways.
Do you? You got a big old head. Okay, we're done.
We're done. But you didn't put the hat on yet.
The hat ain't going on, so we're done. Sorry.
Why can't you cooperate?
Okay, how long have we been together?
20 years.
Okay. And you still don't know that.
Well, sometimes you wear the Santa hat. I have a picture of you wearing it.
What year was that?
When we were ringing the kettlebell. You were wearing the Santa hat.
That's because I was outside freezing.
Oh, so if I take you outside and you're
No,
freezing?
I ain't going outside. I don't have to go outside. So there. Tell all your fans and everything that I ain't doing it.
They're your fans.
No, they're not my fans.
Maybe for making the gingerbread house.
For what?
You'll wear a Santa hat.
Well, we'll worry about
How about
that.
your Santa shorts instead?
How about it's time to go? Like, yeah, that's going to happen.
Okay, so not sure. These are my peppers. And I don't know, are they starting to look kind of leggy? Like, I know I need to get them transplanted into their own pots, but are they looking kind of leggy? Is my light too far away from them? I don't know. Oh, and I said I was going to kind of go back and show you guys my little grow area. So this is what I have. I have the one shelf with the light hanging, and then I have some gardening and canning stuff under that. And then I have that other cabinet, and it has my flex lights on it. So, yeah, that's what I have. My peppers and my little bonsai are what I have here. And they all need to be transplanted. I think I might do that tomorrow. Get them into their own pots. And then look at these over here. Like, look at how leggy that spinach has gotten. My pak choi also came up. But, so I moved my light, like, right down over top of it, because I can't figure out why they're trying to grow up so tall, so leggy, unless they're trying to reach the light outside. Could that be a problem? I don't know. Not seeing anything else yet other than my cabbage, but yeah, we'll keep you posted. Oh, wait. I might see a little baby cauliflower right there. Right there. So that's cool. That wasn't there earlier. So I don't know, again, should I put those into my, I don't know, I don't want to transplant them yet. They don't have any roots yet, but should I put them into my other thing too? Is it from too much light coming in through those blinds, even though I have them closed? I don't know, maybe somebody who's watching will know that and will be able to tell me. I can always hope so, anyway. I'm going to call that it for day number 18. Happy Vlogmas, day number 18, 2020. I hope you had a laugh at my family. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye now.